Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about mango. In some parts of the world, mango is called the king of fruits. It's a drupe or stone fruit, which means that it has a large seed in the middle. Mango is native to India and Southeast Asia, and people have cultivated it for over 4,000 years. Hundreds of types of mango exist, each with its own characteristic taste, shape, size, and color. Mango is not only delicious, but also boasts an impressive nutritional profile. Here are 10 benefits of mango, including an overview of its nutritional content and some tips on how to enjoy it. Number 1. Mango is considered to be one of the most delicious and nutritious fruits on the planet for a reason. This fruit has a lot of healthy nutrients in it that can help you live a healthier life. Number 2. The mango is said to have originated in India, and it was brought to other parts of the world like Africa and the Caribbean through trading routes and minerals. It is said to be one of the richest sources of vitamin C. A single serving of this fruit can give you almost 100% of the recommended daily intake of this vitamin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps protect the body against free radicals that may cause certain diseases. It also helps the body absorb iron more actively. Mango is also a good source of other nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, and folate. Number 4. The fruit is said to be good for the skin. The high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants in mango can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation from the sun. The fruit's high niacin, or vitamin B3, content can help repair damaged skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. Number 5. Mango is also good for the eyes. The high levels of vitamin A and other antioxidants in mango can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of developing age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 6. This fruit is also good for the heart. The high levels of vitamin C, E, and K in mango are beneficial for heart health. These nutrients help lower inflammation, reduce bad cholesterol, and improve blood vessel function. Number 7. Mango is also good for digestion. The fruit is a good source of dietary fiber, which helps keep the digestive system regular and prevents constipation. The fiber content of mango also helps promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 8. The fruit is also a good source of energy. Mango is high in natural sugars such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick source of energy for the body. The fruit is also a good source of potassium, which is an essential mineral for maintaining normal muscle function, including the heart muscle. Number 9. Mango is also good for weight loss. Despite being high in calories, mango is also high in fiber, which helps promote a feeling of fullness and reduces appetite. The fruit's low calorie density also helps with weight loss. This means that you can eat a lot of mango and still consume relatively few calories. Number 10. The fruit is versatile and can be used in many different dishes. Mango can be eaten fresh, dried, or in juice form. It can be used in salads, smoothies, fruits, salsas, and chutneys. The fruit pairs well with other fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood. Well, there you have it, 10 healthy facts about mangoes. This fruit is not only delicious and nutritious, but it is also very versatile and can be used in many different dishes. So next time you see a juicy, ripe mango, dig in and enjoy all the health benefits that this fruit has to offer. Do you know any others? Feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.